Hi guys, my name's Ollie Foster and I'm here at South City College delivering education with the Great British Barber Bash and Brad Threads Hair. We hope you enjoy today. So this morning we delivered 2 sets of an hour and a half visual experience, taking the students through the fundamentals of men's hairdressing and barbering, and also where they can go after college. And once we've finished that this afternoon, we're going to be taking the students through a more kinesthetic, hands-on kind of experience to where they can actually get their hands on the clippers and we can mentor them step by step on how to complete the haircuts. So I had a bit of a mismatched journey leading my way to barbering. The entire way through school I had my heart set on being a PE teacher. It then came to the time when I would have developed my skills further, and I had to make a decision between pursuing my dream of playing football or going off and being creative in a band. I took the musical route. I was signed by Warner Brothers Records, and then I managed to pursue that for until I was 21. I was balancing a teaching job in primary schools at the time, and then after that, lucky enough, my mum's a barber. I ended up at Pro Hair Live in Manchester and fell in love with hairdressing and barbering. And since then, I've gone from being a ladies hairdresser, making the transition to barbering, opening 2 shops in Chester, having 12 amazing staff, and developing my love for teaching and education. So if you're thinking about studying barbering, be prepared to put in the hours, put in the hard graft. A lot of people see the socializing on Instagram and think it's really fun, really easy, but the honest reality is it is hard work, it is dedication. You need to go above and beyond. This isn't an industry that you can just step in, put your toe in and expect to succeed. You need to go above and beyond. So my advice would be to get yourself to a taster session at a college, or if you're maybe 16, you can also look down the apprenticeships route. Just depends what's best for you. However, college route's fantastic, especially if you're in a college that has such enthusiasm like this one. So if you're lucky enough to come to this college, obviously this morning I've done a presentation in this beautiful auditorium with great lighting, great facilities. So I'm going to be working in the new state-of-the-art barber shop, which has got all the facilities needed to develop your skills to a level which is where you go in and find work. So if you were expecting to come to college and gain a qualification, my honest advice is during this time is to go out and get some salon experience at the same time, because it's like, for example, I normally relate it to a driving test. Just the driving lessons alone are not enough. You need to go out and get the hands-on experience. So find somewhere where you can work, progress your skills, and then afterwards step into an apprenticeship. Step into shadowing people and finding where you're best suited. So guys, thank you so much for taking part today. I look forward to seeing you next year for the students enrolling, and I hope you guys succeed. Thank you.